up, you guys? I hope you are well. Welcome to a What I Eat in a Day. I'm currently on a road to getting healthy, and I want you guys to get healthy with me as well. So I wanted to make this video, just throw some ideas out there, give you some healthy ideas on what to eat. So my main focus right now is really just getting healthy. You have to get healthy first. Once you get healthy, the weight loss and everything will come. I've been doing a little bit of intermittent fasting. So right now I haven't had anything to eat. I had a tea this morning, which I didn't record. I had that going out the door to drop Tatiana off at school, which it was just a lemon tea, no caffeine at all. I did a workout. So now I'm drinking my lemon and apple cider vinegar water. So I make this quart jar and I drink half in the morning and then half in the evening when I'm done eating for the day, right before bed. So get me a good sip in right now. It's very easy to do. I use the whole lemon. You can use the peel on it as well if you have organic lemons. Today I didn't have organic lemons, so I decided to go ahead and peel the peel off, but I did use the whole lemon, not just the lemon juice, the whole lemon, because the whole entire lemon has beneficial properties. So what I do is I just blend a lemon, a whole lemon, with some spring water, and then I add 2 ounces of apple cider vinegar. You want apple cider vinegar that has the mother in it, organic when possible. You want to have a good quality apple cider vinegar. So I put 2 ounces in here. I'm going to drink half of this now, and I will be drinking the rest later on this evening when I'm no longer eating. So since I am doing intermittent fasting, I'm only eating 2 times a day. So I'm skipping breakfast, I'm having a lunch, and I'm having a dinner with no snacks in between. So I'm only eating 2 times a day, and I'm having this beverage morning and evening. So all I do is blend the lemon together with the water, and I pour it in this jar with 2 ounces of apple cider vinegar. It's very easy to do, and it has so many great benefits for our bodies. The lemon with the apple cider vinegar does amazing work for our liver. The apple cider vinegar is going to improve with our insulin. It's going to help regulate those blood sugars. It's going to reduce fat from the liver, which a fatty liver is a key component when you have insulin resistance. So it's going to help reduce some of that fat off of your liver. It's going to speed up digestion. So that's why I like to drink this about an hour or so before I'm actually going to break my fast. I like to drink this and just get my body prepared for when I am going to eat. If you are going to be having a raw whole lemon, it's going to have some amazing vitamin C. It's a powerful antioxidant. It protects our liver from damage. Our liver is the main organ in our body that is like pumping out all those toxins and things out of our body. So this is great for the liver, and it is also anti-inflammatory. And usually when we have a fatty liver, there's a lot of inflammation going on in our body. So I highly encourage you guys to start your day with this apple cider vinegar and lemon concoction. It doesn't taste the greatest. Sometimes I will add wild blueberries to it, but I'm not doing that today because I'm actually in my fasting period and I don't want to have any blueberries right now. But if it was later on in the evening, that would be good. But you want to have wild blueberries. I like to use the frozen ones, and I do get those from Trader Joe's. I'm going to check back in with you guys when it is time to make lunch. Breaking my fast. This is gonna be lunch. It's my first meal of the day. We've already had our lemon and apple cider vinegar, and for lunch today I'm gonna be having some grilled chicken breast along with a salad which just had some mixed greens, some arugula on top of it. I added some radishes, some red onions, cucumbers, then I just topped it with some avocado. Gave it a nice little drizzle of my homemade vinaigrette, which is very easy to do. Just a couple of ingredients, which is just vinegar, avocado oil or olive oil, salt, pepper, and Dijon mustard. I also added a little bit of fermented cabbage or like a kimchi style cabbage and a little bit of sauerkraut. That's gonna be my probiotic for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with eating my chicken breast, and then I will work on the rest, my salad, my greens. I don't eat this one every single day. I usually change it up and break my fast with like eggs, or sometimes I even have a protein shake. It just depends, but today we're gonna be doing the chicken breast with the salad. Bon appetit! So this is actually my fermented cabbage. I did make this with a cabbage from my garden. So it was a red cabbage. I just used what I had on hand, and I try to make like an easy fermentation, kind of like a kimchi. When I don't have my own, I do buy one from Trader Joe's that I like a lot. And then I did get this sauerkraut from Trader Joe's. And this is the little vinaigrette that I make right here. Usually makes about a cup. We run through it very often, so I make a batch every other day or so. But this is it for lunch. Very simple. I'm eating for nutrition, so a lot of people may think that this is boring, but it doesn't really affect me because I'm focused on getting healthy. So I'm eating for nutrition versus palatability, like what tastes good. I'm not really eating for palate, I'm eating for nutrition. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive in and eat lunch, and I will see you guys when we are making dinner. This is the last meal for me of the day. It is wild caught salmon. That is the key word. You want wild caught. You do not want farm raised salmon. So this is wild caught salmon, pan seared over a bed of rice cauliflower with some asparagus on the side. Very simple ingredient, very simple to whip it up. This rice cauliflower was frozen cauliflower. I did purchase this at Whole Foods, but you could always just get a head of fresh cauliflower and grate it yourself. That probably would be the better option because it would be fresh. But the frozen does work when you're in a pinch, so I like to keep the frozen on hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this dinner now. And then after about an hour or so, I'm gonna drink the remainder of my lemon water, lemon apple cider water. And then that will be it for today until tomorrow. So this is an intermittent fasting, what I eat in a day. So I'm only eating 2 times a day, no snacking. And I am focusing all my meals around protein, fat, and fiber. And even though the meals might seem boring, I really focused on getting just nutrition and not really so much palate, taste buds, taste. This is definitely a great meal. The salmon is gonna be good for omega-3s. And then I have 2 vegetables here, and they are the cruciferous vegetables. Those are the top vegetables you want to consume, especially if you are trying to, 1, have weight loss, 2, get your insulin resistance down and become more insulin sensitive. Tons of nutrients and vitamins in these. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Hopefully you guys got some ideas. I hope you guys will get on this journey with me and get healthy. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me down in the comment section below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.